Hey there, what is up guys? In this video we are going to talk about how you can download Wistia videos for very fast and 100% free. So hang on with me, follow me step by step. This is going to be a very simple one. Even a kid can do this. Now without wasting time, let's hop into wistia.com. Now we are going to download a Wistia video from its own website itself. Okay. Now this is a Wistia video. What I want you to do is right click anywhere in the video. It says three options: about Wistia, report a problem, and copy link and thumbnail. I want you to click on the third option, copy link and thumbnail. It says copied. Now the next thing I want you to do is open a notepad and then just paste that link. And then that's the step one. Okay, just copy the copy link and thumbnail and paste in a notepad or anywhere else. Now here is the quick little link I want you to type in. This is in the description as well. Just copy it, and then in this thing which you copied, I want you to focus on this thing, W video. Okay, and is equal to is a something, some letters. What I want you to do is just copy those letters till that exclamatory marks, quotes, and then just copy it, and then next to this wistia.net embed /iframe/ just paste that code there. Okay, after I have done this, just copy this whole thing, and then in the browser open a new tab and paste that link and click enter. Now the video will be there. Now if till this you have any problem, I don't think you have a problem, you understood, let me know by tapping that like button so that I could know that you understood. Now here's the video. What I want you to do is quickly press Ctrl+U to view the page source. Okay, in Windows is Ctrl+U, in Apple it may be something. What I want you to do is just come to page source and then click press Ctrl+F. It's basically fine. Okay, and then type this dot and bin, click enter, and I want you to copy this first link and this is the bin, anyone. Okay, just this one URL, like this one, just copy it and then open a new tab and paste that link. Now here is the important thing: before clicking enter, just remove this bin and type mp4 and click enter, and the video will start to download in few seconds. Boom, you can see here the video is already downloaded. It's very easy, it's very fast, even a kid can do it, and it's 100% free. Now if this video brought value to you, and if you want more videos like this, help me by subscribing. Smash that subscribe button, hit the notification bells so that you get notified whenever I drop a brand new video like this one. See you in the next one.